Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace key-fob battery on 2011 BMW 750i Series. This is going to be the same procedure for all BMW 7 Series from 2008 to 2015. This BMW key-fob model is using CR2450 coin battery. First step is to remove a valley key from the fob by pressing this button and pulling the valley key out. So press this button and pull the valley key out. Next step is to insert the valley key in this hole right here and try to pry this plastic out. So make sure you insert the valley key all the way and just pry the plastic out. Now you can remove your old battery by using a small screwdriver by prying it out. And then you can install your new battery. Make sure it's all the way in. Then we're gonna put the plastic piece back. And also we're gonna put the valley key back in. Make sure it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching.